I'm Virginia McGathey here on the floor at the CME Group reporting on the livestock market. Today in cattle, the market was steady. It actually opened with a lower start, but then recovered comfortably. Labor Day holiday demand is expected to improve before all is said and done, and perhaps just for this week, and then maybe we'll have a little bit of a slide. Overall, we've really had pretty robust demand that's kind of like fighting through it all summer long. That is helping a lot to eat through some of the supplies because we have had a buildup of supplies, especially on the pork side. But let's take a look at feeders. Feeders were firm today too. That beef processing has been bumped up a little bit, and that should definitely offer some decent incentives for the cattle buyers, and they're kind of holding up that market a little bit and helping it to recover. That U.S. dollar index was a little bit lower today, so that should offer a little bit more support to the markets to get this rolling. So today it actually looked pretty good, even though that we were a little bit higher and lower, almost kind of mixed on both sides, both for live cattle and feeders. Now, not the same thing happening on the hog side. There has been a little bit of a retreat. You know, some profit taking absolutely is ensuing today, and that is because we expected perhaps there was going to be more news about this Chinese virus outbreak, as well as maybe there was going to be more information on the talks, and I think that's why the market closed very strong on Friday. But nothing else really happened over the weekend, and so now we're sitting with these all the longs that were able to get on board early on are starting to take some of their profit, but it hasn't been complete. So it looks to me like we're just giving back a little bit about what we gained on Friday, but the market still looks very, very strong. A correction was definitely inevitable, and we knew that that was going to be coming, but it all isn't lost because we had a lot of gains over the last 5 sessions. Still looks very, very strong. A lot of good things happening. The report is that the NAFTA talks with Mexico are going very well, and if we do improve our talks with China, that should help the pork complex completely. Those producers have actually taken it on the chin more than any other commodity right now, and they've got a long way to go to climb back, and it still looks pretty good even though we're a little bit lower today. That's all from the floor at the CME Group here in Chicago. I'm Virginia McGathey.